Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I am here with a package of Happy Mail that came from such a lovely lady who is like a little ray of sunshine on YouTube, and her name is Jeannie Dreemer. Hi, Jeannie. She sent me a package, and I'm very excited about it. It was so sweet of you to do that, honey. You did not have to send me Happy Mail, but I appreciate it, of course. So I have only just cut the end of the envelope. I haven't peeked, so I have no idea what's in here. So I thought I would come on camera and share with you guys. So let me pull out what's in here. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Okay. I think there's anything. Nope, that's it. Okay. So this beautiful envelope here. I love this envelope. But first, let's look at these. Oh, I love this trim. Oh, I love this trim. It is gold and it's very vintage looking. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I love it. I have this trim in white. I've never seen it in this color. So thank you for that, Jeannie. I absolutely love the vintage look of that. It's gorgeous. I love it. Thank you so, so much. And she also sent me some in pink. So hooray for the pink. And I am sorry for the crinkling, but I like to look at everything. So there it is. Oh, I don't have it in pink. I've only ever had this in white, so I love it. It's one of my favorite trims. So thank you so much, Jeannie. This is so pink and shabby. I love it. Such a sweetheart, Jeannie. And I'm going to have a link to Jeannie's channel down below in the description box for you guys. Please go over and sub to her. She's so talented, and she is just so much fun on her videos. She makes me laugh so hard sometimes. She's just hilarious. So that's why I call her a little ray of sunshine on YouTube, because she is. She's just so refreshing and fun. So definitely go and check her out. Love this envelope. This is going to get used again. Oh my goodness, what did you do, girl? Oh, and there's a card in there too. So let me put that aside and we'll get to the card. This little envelope. Look at the little flowers. Aw. So let me open this. Oh, and she's made the card. Look, it says thank you. And it's got all these really tiny, tiny little gemstones on it. Super pretty. Thank you, Jeannie. I'll just read it for 1 second. Oh. Oh. She says, "Hi, Kim. A tiny thank you for the thank you gift for the beautiful, awesome Happy Mail you sent me. I just barely got the video up last night. Oh, here also are the ruffles I made to show you, and a copy of my ruffler directions, which is really cool in case there weren't any in the kit from Siobhan. And Siobhan, who is Pearl and Button, sent me in my Christmas swap with her like 24 different feet for my sewing machine. So I've been playing with all of those. They are all very similar, so maybe it will work for you. I think the ruffles will make awesome flowers. Well, they probably will. Oh my gosh, yes, they will. I rolled a few and love them. Have fun with them anyway, my friend. It's after midnight and I still have things to finish, so I really hope you like my little gift. Love and laughter, Jeannie. I said Janine. Sorry, Jeannie. And that is Jeannie Dreemer. And again, please go and sub to her, because I love that you signed your card, Love and Laughter, because you make me laugh, like I said, in a great way. So these are the ruffle trims, and they look really cool. And I believe that Jeannie she's been sewing for many, many years, and I believe she's also a quilter as well. So we had been talking for a while, and she had mentioned these to me before, and oh, I love these colors. This is gorgeous batik fabric right here. And she has ruffled these, so I guess you double them over. So it's interesting for me to see, and I love, you know, now I can play with my sewing machine and make some of these now that I have some samples to look at, so I know I'm doing it right. But I love this, and yes, these would make gorgeous flowers. Jeannie, these are beautiful. Thank you. And I love all the colors. All the colors, yes. And here is a smaller one and a beautiful little lavender purple one. And I have a project in mind for this, actually. And some white. This is a very small one. Oh, I love it. I love it, Jeannie. Look at it. So pretty. Oh, these are gorgeous. I cannot wait to make these on my machine. Oh, I love them. And that's like a wider pleat. Wow, cool. Oh, and look at this one. Very tiny, tiny, tiny little pleats. Wow. Oh, it's so great to see all the different sizes you can make. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's amazing. And then here's a bigger one. And I love the pink and gold. I love that. I hope I took the... I always forget to do this. No, I didn't. I'm sorry my autofocus was on. Sorry, guys. There. I always forget to do that. Oh my gosh, these are so nice, Jeannie. And different widths, and some are like super pleated close together, some are further apart. Like, look at that. Oh, I love it. Those are amazing. Oh, and thank you for the instructions. You are awesome. Oh, you're awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And it even shows how to use it and what the things are for. I love it. Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you so much for that, Jeannie. I love it. And this is... there's something inside it. Oh my gosh, you did not send me that. Oh my gosh. Oh, Jeannie. I saw this on her video the other day. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, it's beautiful, Jeannie. And she used some really pretty fabric on the back and a little doily and some seam binding. And beautiful eyelet trim here, and pearls around the edges, and a bow. And this is a little embroidery hoop that she used. But I love how you did the pearls on her hair. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I'm going to hang that right over my desk. I love her. Thank you so much, Jeannie. And this was a little envelope that she put it in, which is a really good idea. And look at this fabric in here. I love that fabric. So thank you for that, Jeannie. And thank you for this beautiful, amazing, happy mail. I love it. I love this. That's going right on my wall as soon as I'm finished this video. Thank you for these gorgeous ruffle trims and these beautiful beaded pearls and the instructions so I know what I'm doing. So guys, please go and check out Jeannie Dreemer's channel. She's an awesome, awesome lady, and you will enjoy her channel. I know you will as much as I do. She's fun, and she's full of laughter and life, and I just think she's awesome. So thank you, Jeannie. Mwah! I love you, my friend, and I will be back soon, guys. Take care, everybody, and go sub to Jeannie. Bye-bye.